Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Diana in Wild Rift. Diana is a formidable ability, power assassin, known for her explosive burst damage and strong all-in potential. She thrives on diving deep into enemy formations to quickly take down vulnerable targets. Understanding her abilities and how they synergize is key to unlocking her full power and dominating the game. Let's dive into her core mechanics. Diana's kit revolves around her Crescent Strike, which applies Moonlight. This mark is vital, as it resets the cooldown of her Lunar Rush, allowing for multiple dashes. Pale Cascade provides a temporary shield and 3 orbiting spheres that explode on contact, enhancing her survivability and damage. Her ultimate, Moonfall, is a powerful initiation tool, pulling nearby enemies together for devastating area damage. A basic combo involves Crescent Strike, then Lunar Rush, followed by Pale Cascade and auto attacks. For Diana, a strong ability power build is essential. Start with Luden's Echo for its burst damage and ability haste. Follow up with Infinity Orb to amplify your critical strike damage on low-health targets. Rabadon's Deathcap is a crucial third item, providing a massive increase to your overall ability power. For runes, Electrocute is a top choice for its burst potential, complemented by Brutal for early-game magic penetration. Stasis and Chant on your boots is also highly recommended for survivability. During the early game, prioritize safe farming and poking enemies with Crescent Strike. Once you reach level 3 and unlock all basic abilities, you can execute quick trades by landing Crescent Strike, then dashing in with Lunar Rush. In teamfights, Diana shines as an initiator. Look for opportunities to use Moonfall on multiple enemies, pulling them together for your team. Flash can be combined with Moonfall for unexpected and impactful engagements, securing crucial teamfight victories.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.